Hello friends, I've completed the theory of final account in the previous lecture. Today I'm going to solve textual problem number 6. I am not solving problem chronologically, but I will solve as per the level of difficulty. So first today I'm taking sum number 6 of the textbook. Now in this sum, we will follow the steps as I explained earlier. Which are the steps that we are following? First, prepare the format. So you should be ready with the format in your notebook. Then we'll do the marking of the trial balance, then transfer of trial balance, transfer of adjustments, and closing of accounts. So let us proceed one by one. This is our trial balance. We are having two partners, Archana and Prerna. They are sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. So with the help of following trial balance and the adjustments, we are asked to prepare trading account, profit and loss account, and the balance sheet. Now, we will see the trial balance first. Trial balance is given on 31st March 2019. Okay. On the debit side, we are having opening stock that we are going to transfer to debit side of trading account. Then we have a patents, which is asset. We have a debtors, which is also asset. Stock of stationery is also asset. So we are transferring all these three to the asset side of balance sheet. Trademark is also asset. Bill receivable is also asset. So asset side of the balance sheet. Electricity charges, profit and loss debit side. Wages, trading account debit side. Heating and lighting, trading account debit side. Trade expense, profit and loss debit side. Sales return, we are going to subtract from the sales. Then land and building and furniture, these both are the assets, so we'll write on the asset side. Cash and bank is asset, investment is asset. Then the drawing of Archana and Prerna that we are transferring to the capital account debit side. Then we have bad debts, we will transfer to the profit and loss debit, and purchases, trading account debit. So all these items we are going to transfer on the debit side of profit and loss account. Now on the credit side, we have capital of Archana and capital of Prerna. These we are transferring on the capital side, capital account. On the credit side, other loans is a liability. So on the liability side, reserve fund is a liability. Creditors is a liability. Bills payable is a liability. So all these are going to appear on the liability side of the balance sheet. Then we have a purchase return that we are going to subtract from the purchases. Then we have RDD. So we are going to subtract from the formula of the debtors, formula of the bad debts on the debit side of profit and loss account. Then we have a sales that we are going to record on the trading account credit side and interest, profit and loss account credit side. So this is what we read the trial balance and we confirm that which item goes where. So in your mind, you have to confirm which item is transferred at which place. And if possible, with the help of pencil also, you can write asset, liability, trading debit, profit and loss debit, trading credit, profit and loss credit, if you want. Okay. Now we'll see the adjustments. Our stock is cost price 12,000 and market price 17,000. So we are going to take 12,000 because this is the lower one. One of the customer, Mr. Shekhar, he fails to pay his dues, 800. So this is nothing but the new bad debts. So that we are going to place in the formula of the bad debts and debtors. Then 1/8 of the patents are to be written off. So this is nothing but a depreciation. Okay, because patent is bought for a certain period. So out of that 1/8 we are going to write off. Then furniture is purchased on this particular date. Out of the total furniture of 13,000 here, furniture is 13,000. Out of that 5,000 we are purchasing, it's a new purchase. So 8,000 is from the beginning and 5,000 is addition. Okay. So for this, we'll see. It is only additional information. Then depreciate land and building and furniture, and outstanding expense, wages, electricity charges, and interest on capital is to be allotted 3%. So from these given adjustments, you have to tick mark. As I told you earlier, that you have to put some dots, or you have to put some tick mark, or you can put the star. So here, I am also doing the tick mark over here. Patent, debtors, electricity charges, wages, land and building, furniture, bad debts, RDD. These are the items which I have to take care whenever I am transferring to the trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. Okay. So in our step, marking of trial balance we have completed. Now we'll move transfer of trial balance. So let us see the trial balance debit side we are going to transfer. So as I told you, stock 8560. Now we are having here trading account, profit and loss account, partners capital account, and balance sheet I have already prepared. And at the top I am showing in the book of Archana and Prerna, trading and profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2019. And in balance sheet, I am writing balance sheet as on 31st March 19. And we have two partners, Archana and Prerna, Okay. So as I told you, the first item, opening stock, it will appear here on the debit side. 8560. Now let us see the second item. Second item is patent. Patent is 2000. Patent is asset. So on the asset side, patent is 2000. We are writing in the inner column because there is a depreciation. Okay. Now the third is sundry debtors 18,500. So debtors I'll be putting in the balance sheet. Formula is there. Debtors 18,500. Now we are having stock of stationery, which is also asset. So on the asset side, I'll write stock of stationery 3,000. So stock of stationery is 3,000. Now in the trial balance, we have a trademark 2,000. So trademark is asset 2,000. So 2,000 I'm writing in the balance sheet. Okay. Now we have bill receivable, which is also our asset. So bill receivable 6,300. Okay. On the asset side. Now next we are having electricity charges. We are charging this to profit and loss. So electricity charges inner column 1450. Then next is wages. Wages we are charging trading account 950 in the inner column. So 950 we are writing in the inner column. Then we are having heating and lighting. We are charging to trading account. So trading account, heating and charging 1,000. We are writing on the debit side. Now the next is trade expense, which is charged to profit and loss account. So trade expense is 850, which we are charging to profit and loss account. Then our next is sales return. We are going to subtract from the sales. So sales return is 400. We are subtracting from the sales. Okay. Next is land and building and furniture. So both I'll be placing on the asset side. Land and building 22,000 inner column because there's a depreciation. Furniture 13,000. I'll be placing in the inner column because there's a depreciation. Now cash and bank 5,000, that is asset. So cash and bank 5,000 is asset. Okay. Now next is investment 7,500, that is our asset. So 7,500 is our asset. Okay. Now in trial balance, drawings of Archana and drawings of Prerna. Okay. So in the capital account on debit side, drawings of Archana and drawings of Prerna. Okay. So 1200 and 900. Then we are having bad debts 200. So bad debts we are writing in the formula. We have first item bad debts as per the trial balance 200. So 200 we are writing as per the trial balance. Then in our problem, purchases are given. So purchases in the trading account 23,700 in the inner column. Now we have completed the debit side. You can see that we have transferred each and every item either in the on the debit of trading account, debit of profit and loss account, asset side, debit of capital account, and one item we have subtracted sales term that we have shown on the credit side. Okay. Now we'll see the credit side. On credit side, we have capital of Archana and capital of Prerna. Okay. So we'll write capital of Archana and capital of Prerna 40,000 and 20,000 on the credit side of capital account. Okay. Now our next item is here other loans. Other loans means it's a liability. So on the liability side, other loans 3,000. So 3,000 we are placing here. Then our next liability is reserve fund 1,000 and creditors 17,500. Both will transfer here. Reserve fund 1,000 and creditors 17,500. Okay. Now let us see in the problem. Bills payable again. Bills payable is a liability. So bills payable 5,000. So bills payable 5,000. Okay. Now we are having purchase return that we are subtracting from purchases. So purchase return we are subtracting from purchase. Then we are having RDD. RDD is the old RDD. Old RDD we are subtracting from the formula less ORDD as per the trial balance. Okay. So ORDD we are transferring. Then we are having sales 30,200. So on the credit side of trading account inner column 30,200. Then we are having one more item that is interest 310. So interest is income. Which income? Office income. So place on the credit side. Okay. So all the items of trial balance, debit as well as credit are over. So here we can see that credit side we have transferred on the credit side. This is the credit side. Okay. Partners capital account, liability side, and I have subtracted two items, credit purchase return I have subtracted and I have subtracted ORDD. They were there on the credit side, but I am writing on the debit side because I am subtracting. Okay. So our third step is over. Now let us move to the fourth step. Our fourth step is stock. Stock we are told that it is cost 12,000 and market 70,000. So we have to consider 12,000. Then we have how many effects? Two effects. Which are the two effects? One is 12,000. Okay. Now closing stock 12,000, one effect trading account credit side, and another effect is balance sheet on the asset side. We'll write the amount 12,000. Okay. So this is our first adjustment. Second, our customer Shekhar has failed to pay. This is a new bad debts. So our new bad debts here in the formula, new bad debts 800. Okay. So we are adding to the bad debts 800 and we are subtracting 800 from the debtors. Okay. So we are subtracting 800 from the debtors. And once again, we'll see 1/8 of the pattern is to be written off. So pattern is 2,000, 1/8 is 250. So from pattern to we are going to subtract 250. That is one effect. And 250 we are going to write here separately, two patterns written off in the profit and loss account. Now our third adjustment, part of the furniture, that this you have to remember only while charging the depreciation on furniture. So before that, we'll do depreciation on land and building 10%. So land and building 10% is 2,200. That is one effect. And second effect is depreciation on land and building 2,200. Now our depreciation on furniture is 5%, and we have to consider this also. So now the total of the furniture is 13,000. Out of that, 8,000 is the old one. So on 8,400 rupees, and 5,000 we have bought new as per our adjustment. So for that 5,000 for 6 months, the amount is 125. So the total depreciation that we are charging is 525. So the total depreciation, you have to do the calculation over here. This 400 is for 12 months and 125 is for 6 months according to that amount. Okay. So another 525 we are writing here on the debit side of the profit and loss account. Okay. Now outstanding wages and electricity charges 300 and 200. So electricity charges outstanding 200. We are adding to the electricity charges. Okay. And here outstanding electricity charges 200. So we are showing on the liability side. At the same time, wages is 300 outstanding. So 300 outstanding and 300 wages outstanding. I am placing here on the liability side. Okay. Now let us see the last one. Allow interest on capital 3%. So we are going to charge interest on capital at 3% on this 40,000 and 20,000. So 3% of 40,000 is 1,200. And again, 600 is 3% of 20,000. So this is the one effect. And second effect we are doing here, interest on capital, that is for Archana. And Prerna is 600. So we have debited to profit and loss account. Now our all adjustments in the problem, there is no secret adjustment in the trial balance, and all these adjustments we have completed. Okay. So we have completed step number 4 also. Now our step number 5 is to close the trading account. In trading account, sales minus sales return, you have to cast this figure to the outer column, 29,800. Then purchase is also 23,700 minus 1,000 is 22,700, and wages 950 plus 300 is 1,250. Now we'll do the totaling. The debit side total is 33,510, and the credit side total is 41,800. Now, which is the more total? Which is the higher one? 41,800 is the higher one. So 41,800 minus 33,510. So the difference appearing on the debit side is 8,290. Now 8,290. Okay. 8,290 is a gross profit that we got in the trading account. Now that gross profit is brought down in the profit and loss account on the credit side. On the credit, in the profit and loss account, again, whatever balances are there that we are casting out, bad debts balance is 500, electricity charge is 1,650, depreciation total is 2,725, interest on capital total is 1,800, and the total of the debit side that we got is 7,775 up to this figure. Okay. And the total of the credit side is 8,600. So which is the more total? 8,600 is more as compared to 7,775. So whenever we will find out, the difference that we will get is 825. So the difference on the debit side is 825. That's the net profit, which is divided between the partners capital, Archana and Prerna, in the ratio of 2:1. And this we are going to transfer on the credit side of partners capital account 550 and 275. So the profit is transferred to the capital account, and then the capital account is balanced. So ultimately we'll get the balance 40,550 in the account of Archana, and in the account of Prerna 19,975. That is the amount that we will get. Okay. Now this balances we will transfer to the liability capital account of Archana 40,550 over here, and for Prerna 90,975. So 60,525 is the total. Here the total of outstanding is 500. Debtors when casted out 17,700. Patents total is 1750. Bill receivable total is land and building outer column 19,800. Furniture outer column 12,475. So the total of both the sides is 87,525. So the balance sheet total is 87,525. So now friends, you can see that from the given sum, we have transferred the trial balance items once to the respective accounts. Then we took up the adjustments. Adjustments we have given 2 to effect for each adjustments. Then you have to close the trading account. Then you have to close the profit and loss account. Close the partner's capital account. So these are the credit balances which will appear on the liability side. And ultimately, the balance sheet should tally. Okay.